Hello everyone, take a look at this modern kitchen faucet that can instantly upgrade the look and functionality of your kitchen. It features a sleek and durable design that not only looks premium but is also built for everyday use. One of the best things about this faucet is the pull-down sprayer, which makes washing dishes and cleaning the sink much easier and more convenient. With its flexible hose, you can easily reach every corner of the sink without any effort. The water flow is smooth and powerful, helping you rinse dishes quickly while keeping things efficient. You can also switch between spray modes depending on what you need, whether it's rinsing vegetables or cleaning tough stains from dishes. The high arc design gives you more space in the sink, making it perfect for washing large pots and pans. Plus, the 360-degree swivel allows you to move the faucet freely for maximum convenience. With its stylish finish and practical features, this faucet is a great combination of design and performance for any modern kitchen. If you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen setup, this faucet is definitely worth checking out.